Are you worried about that dead body that you're keeping on ice in your garage? Worry no more. With TC Automation's new temperature alarm system, you will be the first to know when that freezer breaks down. Get notified via email when an alarm event occurs. Measures temperatures from -67 degrees to +254 degrees Fahrenheit. Multiple temperature alarm modules can connect wirelessly to a single monitoring station. The monitoring station stores high and low peak temperatures with a time and date stamp. Relay output is rated at 10 amps at 125 volts AC. Custom serial strings can be transmitted upon a triggered alarm event to easily integrate with other systems. No computer is needed to program the monitoring station. All programming is performed in the device using the rotary encoder and the OLED display. A power failure won't result in a loss of settings. For more information, check us out on the web at www.tcautomation.us.